What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Super quick video for you guys today, but in today's episode, I'm going to show you guys how to replace the windshield wipers on a 2023 Chevy Trailblazer. Stay tuned. So these windshield wipers are a little bit different than a lot of people have seen, so I wanted to show you guys exactly how to change them out. I got these wiper blades from a company called Windsmile on Amazon, and they're pretty fair priced. You guys might notice that a lot of the wipers on the market for these cars are pretty expensive, so I thought I'd give these a try. This set comes with the driver's side and passenger side blades, which are 24-inch and 18-inch, and it also comes with the rear wiper blade as well, and this one's an 11-inch. And altogether, this entire set was like $25. So to change these out, all you're gonna do is you're gonna press in this middle button here. You just press that, and then slide it right out. And make sure that you set this on your windshield gently so that way you don't crack your windshield. So you're gonna grab the passenger side wiper, this is the shorter one, and then you're gonna pull off this green protective sleeve. And now we can just slide this one right into place. And then just give it a little tug to make sure it's secure. Now do the exact same thing on the driver's side. And replacing the fronts is as easy as that. All right, now for the rear one, it's super easy. So this literally just pops right out. So you want to make sure that it's kind of flat like this. You kind of just put your fingers back here and just push here and just pop like that. And this will pop right out of the teeth that are in here. And then you can just replace it with the new one. So what we're going to do is we're just going to open this up here. We're going to double check that this is in fact the right one. Yep, everything looks exactly the same. So we're going to take off our protective sleeve and put it back on. There we go. Good as new. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for future content. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Later.